How to delete your TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete your TikTok account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now what you want to do is, first of all, simply make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version so that you don't face any type of errors during the process of deletion. Once you've done so, I'm going to simply open TikTok, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. What you want to do is, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, simply tap on the profile button or your profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, you're basically going to be taken to your profile page. On the top right hand side of the screen, simply tap on the three dots. As you tap on the three dots, right at the bottom you'll find a button which says settings and privacy. So go ahead and simply tap on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. At the top of the screen, under the account section, you'll find an option which says manage account. So what we want to do is we're going to simply tap on the manage account button. As we tap on manage account, again you'll be able to see a bunch of different options, and in order to delete our TikTok account, at the bottom of the screen you'll find a button at the left hand side which says delete account. So go ahead and tap on delete account. Now if TikTok is basically going to ask you why you are leaving TikTok, you could go ahead and select any of the reasons which you actually want to. What you can also do is simply tap on the skip button on the top right hand side of the screen. So I'm going to simply skip it. Now you also have the option to actually download your TikTok data, such as the videos, all of your chat screens and so on, if you actually request your download, because once you delete it, there is no way you could actually recover it. So keep that in mind. At the bottom, simply tap on the terms and conditions button and agree on it. You can see by continuing, you review the data request and wish to continue deleting your account. Now what you can do is simply tap on the continue button. And basically it is going to ask us for a confirmation. Again, your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. So you want to understand that after you go ahead and start the deletion process, your account will be scheduled for deletion until 30 days. You have time until 30 days to actually retrieve your account. If you don't log into your TikTok account after those 30 days period of time, your account is going to be permanently deleted, and keep in mind that you will not actually be able to recover it. Once you are actually sure that you do want to delete your account, at the bottom of the screen simply tap on the continue button. I'm going to tap on continue, and you can see it is going to ask us to actually verify. So what we can do is simply actually verify this account right over here. You could have actually received your mail or also actually received your verification code on your SMS. So I'm going to simply paste the verification code as I have received it. Go ahead and tap on the delete account button right over here. So as you can see, our account has been successfully deleted. This was the way on how you could very easily delete your TikTok account permanently. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.